Hello everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to slow down and speed up of your video in Shotcut free video editing software. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notifications. As you can see, I am on the laptop screen. I'm going to open Shotcut free video editing software. As you can see, interface of Shotcut video editing software. Now I am going to open video by clicking on open file. As you can see, I am going to drag this video into timeline like this. Now I am going to click on play button.
I am going to open this door.
As you can see, I am going to slow down this video. For that, I am going to click on properties. I just click on split and just click on this. You can see speed option. Now I am going to slow down this video. That's why I am going to decrease the speed. As you can see, like this, like this. Now I am going to speed up this video. For that, I am going to increase the speed by clicking on above arrow button like this. Now I am going to play this video as you can see. Thanks for watching.